How to add or update your default shipping address in Whatnot. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial, a guide in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can open up the Whatnot application and tap on it and log in into our account if we are not logged in. And after we do so, what we can do is we can just go over in the guide for the account icon in the bottom right and tap on it and access our account right here. Once it is done, we'll be provided with the space. We can go for the option called payments and shipping and tap on it and head over to the next option. So here we can go for the option called shipping address or delivery method and go ahead and tap on it, the pen icon next to it. And we'll be finding the space right here. So we need to enter up our full details. First of all, we need to enter up a full name. Right below it, we need to enter up our address. We have two options for that. And then our city, then our state or province, and then our postal code, and then our country. After that, just go over and tap on save. And now this address can be used for your orders. This is it. And that will make it primary address for all of your future Whatnot orders. You can use it. And you must have at least one shipping address saved before buying items. Make sure your phone number is correct, and sellers sometimes use it for delivery address. And that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.